Hi everyone, this is the Butterfly Metamorphosis Set, a fun 3D printable model with foldable wings. I studied it while exploring 3D printing on fabric. To figure out how the wings should hold, I started by experimenting with paper. I tried different folds until it felt right. But when I printed the wings on fabric, they were too soft, they wouldn't stand up. Then I found that folding them in a slightly bent position helped them stand. So I designed a hook at the base of each wing to fix that bent shape. Now let me show you how each part works. The caterpillar stretches, bends, and its legs and prolegs rotate slightly. Also, its head moves. Its osmetrium is stored in the front body. And yes, it can poop. Open the front body, and you'll find the chrysalis hidden inside. Storing the butterfly within. It's a bit cramped. The butterfly's wings are printed on fabric, so they fold and fit inside the chrysalis. When moving the wings, be sure to hold them at the base. Hook the pin to make the wings stand up. Adjust the legs, head, and antennae, and the emergence is complete. If you'd like to try it yourself, the 3D data is available on cards. Before printing, here's a quick look at the wing models. This model includes both foldable and non-foldable wings. Here are both versions. Foldable wings require printing on fabric. It's essential for the folding mechanism. Non-foldable wings don't fold, so they can fit inside the chrysalis. But they don't require fabric printing, so if it's tricky, or if you just want to enjoy the butterfly itself, you can choose the non-foldable wings instead. For the wings, I tested both tulle and organza. Tulle looks like this. It's often used for 3D printing on fabric. This light blue one has a thread shine. Organza has a finer mesh, so colors appear more clearly, and it's shiny too. These are the printed wings with tulle and organza. Organza is my personal favorite for this project. Also, with a touch of acrylic paint like this, the wing looks more real swallowtail butterfly. Fold lines can cause wrinkles or even stop the printer, so iron fast, also trim the fabric. I added a pause before the second layer to press the fabric. When it pauses, I carefully press the fabric. I usually remove the pre-extrusion line, it can get in the way. After pressing the fabric, I fix it with magnet, making sure there are no wrinkles. You might notice a rectangular piece on the left. It's a dummy for nozzle wiping and pause timing, so that might be specific to my printer. Then I resume the print. After printing, I remove the piece from the build plate and trim the excess fabric using scissors or a rotary cutter. I cut as close as possible around the ball joint especially. Finally, I make a small cut near the hook structure. This helps the hook latch more easily. Do the same for the hind wings, not just the forewings. Next, let's assemble from caterpillar to butterfly. These caterpillar parts print without support. If you'd like to paint them, do it before assembly. First, attach the pro legs to body parts C, D, and F. Also attach the legs to body part A. Next, assemble the osmetrium part like this. Then assemble the head part. Be sure to check the direction of the head ring. It has a small triangle arrow mark. That mark should be on the bottom side, pointing toward the head. Now attach the assembled head to body part A. And attach the assembled osmetrium to body part L like this. Next, attach body part G to part F. Be sure to check the direction. It also has a small triangle arrow mark. That mark should point toward the front. Then connect all the body parts. First, connecting body part B to part A. To open the caterpillar, gently push the top of the body part B like this. Next, connect one of the C parts to part B. Since the connecting slit has a curve, insert it at an angle. In the same way, connect the other two C parts. Then connect parts D, E, and F in order. Now the caterpillar is ready. Next is the chrysalis. It has a front part and a rear part. Only the edge lines need support when printing. The inside doesn't require any. Connect the two parts like this. To open it, gently push the rear part like this. And that's it, the chrysalis is done. The final part is the butterfly. The antennae is very thin, so if you use a raft, I recommend removing it with a craft cutter to avoid bending the antennaes. The body has 3 print-in-place joints. Make sure each one can rotate. The legs have joints too, so check that each leg can rotate. This step is totally optional, but if you'd like the antennae to curve and look more realistic, try it. Prepare a hair dryer and gently bend the antennaes using heat like this. Be careful not to overheat. Also, placing the dryer directly on the table can make the surface too hot, so I usually set it on something. Next, attach the proboscis to the body. If it's a tight fit, use pliers. Just be careful not to crush it. Then attach the legs. Finally, attach the wings. Starting with the hind wings makes it easier. Playful Metamorphosis, Caterpillar, Chrysalis, Butterfly. Hope you enjoyed. The 3D data on card. Thank you for watching.